In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from SumUp to a bank account. To get started, open the SumUp app on your phone and log into your account. Once you're signed in, the first thing you'll want to do is check whether you actually have funds available to move. To do that, tap on Business Account or Account Balance, depending on the version of the app you're using. Here, you can review your available balance and make sure there's money ready for transfer. This is helpful because pending funds may not be available right away. Next, you'll need to add your bank account details, or update them if they're outdated. Head to your profile, then open Settings. From there, look for Bank Account or Payout Settings. In this section, you'll enter the required banking information, such as the account holder name, your bank name, and your account number or IBN, depending on your country. Take a moment to double-check everything before confirming, because even a small mistake in your bank details can delay your payout. After your bank account is connected, the next step is to set your payout method. Go back into payout settings and choose Direct to Bank Account. This tells SumUp where you want your earnings to be sent. You'll also be able to choose your preferred payout schedule. In many cases, you can select daily, weekly, or monthly payouts, although the exact options may depend on your location. Pick the schedule that works best for your business, then confirm your changes to save the setup. Once everything is configured, you won't usually need to manually transfer money every time. After your customers complete payments, SumUp processes those earnings and automatically sends the funds to your linked bank account based on the payout schedule you selected. In most cases, bank payouts arrive within 1 to 2 business days, although timing can vary depending on your bank and region. Finally, if you want to monitor the transfer, open the SumUp app again and go to Transactions or Payouts. This area lets you track important details like the payout amount, the current transfer status, and the expected arrival date. Checking this section is a good way to confirm that your money is on the way and to spot any delays early. That's how to transfer money from SumUp to your bank account. Once your bank details and payout settings are in place, the process becomes quick and mostly automatic.